Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to add UPI payment to your e-commerce website? In today's video, I will show you how to easily integrate UPI payment gateway step by step, no confusion, no coding headaches. Whether you use PHP Node.js or just HTML, this guide will make it simple. First of all, you need to choose a payment gateway that supports UPI. Some of the most popular options are Razorpay, Cashfree, Paytm for business, PhonePe for business, or Instamojo. In this video, we will use Razorpay. It's developer friendly, widely used, and free to start. Go to razorpay.com and sign up for a free account. Click sign up now. Enter your email address. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary mail because now enter your email address and click continue. You can continue with your Google account. Now set a strong password. Now go to your mail inbox. Now verify your email with one-time passcode. Copy the code and paste here. Then click verify. Then select your country where your business is incorporated, like India or Singapore. Then click continue. Then select online. Now let's generate the API keys you will use to connect your site. Complete the basic setup like your name, then continue, then enter your business details, uh, or phone number. After that, copy the key API, copy the API key ID and secret. Keep them safe for testing. Use the test mode first. Now, time to add the payment button to your website. Now, add this code, Razorpay checkout script, like script src checkout https checkout dot razorpay .com slash he1, then checkout .js. and use the ending tag of script. Then you can use JavaScript code for the button. Just go to ChatGPT and write a JS code for payment button, then enter, and copy the code and paste in your website. This will open the Razorpay UPI payment pop-up. You can customize it to your needs. To create secure UPI payments, it's better to generate order ID from the backend in PHP, Node.js, or Python. This ensures secure transaction logging and prevents tampering. Now test the payment with Razorpay's test UPI, like success at the rate Razorpay dot success at the rate Razorpay in live mode. Real UPI apps like GPay or PhonePay will open directly. And that's it. Your UPI payment gateway is now live on your website. Easy, right? If you like this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple web developer dev guides. Got a questions? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.